Highway Code, Pedestrians, Rule 21. At traffic lights, there may be special signals for pedestrians. You should only start to cross the road when the green figure shows. If you have started to cross the road and the green figure goes out, you should still have time to reach the other side, but do not delay. If no pedestrian signals have been provided, watch carefully and do not cross until the traffic lights are red and the traffic has stopped. Keep looking and checking for traffic that may be turning the corner. Remember that traffic lights may let traffic move in some lanes while traffic in other lanes has stopped. So we're talking here about crossing at a crossroads, and there may be pedestrian crossing lights linked in with them, but there may be none. So remember, traffic can turn and drivers may be watching other traffic rather than pedestrians. So make sure you have enough space and time to cross the road safely, and you must take your own safety into your own hands here and rely on your good judgment to get you through the junction safely.